Hi, I'm Sylvia, and I work as a caseworker at ALS, the Faroese Employment Office. Everyone who qualifies for benefits through the FV system is required to confirm work in fish processing at Vangin. When you confirm, you notify ALS of your status during the past week, and the information helps ensure that the correct amount is paid to you. On the ALS website, als.fo, click the link on the left-hand side. Confirm work in fish processing. This will take you to the information page about confirming work. Click the button, Confirm work in fish processing, which will take you to the login page on Vangin. Enter your personal ID number and log in using Samleikin. The first page provides information about the self-service system. Select Next. At the top of the page, you can see which week or weeks you are confirming for. Below are the details that ALS has received from your employer, including hours worked, wage, and hours absent. Hours absent include, for example, if you have been home due to illness, on vacation, or similar. It is important that you check whether the information from your employer is correct. If the information is not correct, you must contact ALS before continuing with the confirmation. If the information is correct, proceed. You will now be asked whether you have worked for another employer during the period in addition to the fish factory. If the answer is no, select no and proceed to the next question. If the answer is yes, fill in the fields date, hours, daily income, VAT number, VTAL. You can select Add if you have worked on multiple days. You must then answer the question, have you qualified for any compensations during the period? Select Yes or No. Then select Next at the bottom right. You will now see a summary of the information you have provided. Check that the information is correct, then tick the box. I confirm that the information from the fish factory and the data I have entered are correct. Finally, select Submit. You have now confirmed work in fish processing